Good morning everyone. In previous class we discussed about the siphon part. Then here we discuss about the detailed estimate of a drainage siphon, which is example 2. First of all we discuss about the question. Prepare a detailed estimate of a drainage siphon across a minor from the drawing. Foundation concrete shall be of 1:4:8 cement concrete with brick ballast. All brick work shall be 1:4 cement mortar. Okay, so then here the diagram, the plan of the total siphon. Here the plan, the siphon is consist with drop it, 2 drop it and 2 wing wells and 1 siphon top. Okay, here the drainage is provided in both sides. It is the longitudinal section of the siphon. Here the wing wall cross section is showing here. It is the ground position here. Okay, it is the bed of the drop it. Okay, then we going through the section part. Here the section AB and section CD is provided and section EF also provided. So first we need to check what is the section ED and section EB. Here the section AB first we discuss. The section AB, which is the cross section of the drainage. Okay, and the section CD, C and D, it is the plotting section of drop it. We can find out the breadth and height of the drop it from the section CD, and we can find out the breadth and height of the canal part from the section AB. And here the EF part also showing here, which is the siphon top part. Also here the wing wall part also showing here. So the cross section or the length and breadth of the siphon top, we can follow the EF part. Okay, EF section. So clearly indicate the breadth and height of the section AB, section CD and section EF. So after that we are going through the calculation part. So first of all we are going through the item number 1. Here first item number 1, description of item, earthwork in excavation in foundation. Here the abstract is consists with item numbers, description of item, numbers, then length in meter, breadth in meter and height in meter and quantity, then explanatory note. Okay, so first of all we need to calculate the excavation in earthwork in excavation in foundation. So in case of siphon duct, here the number is 1 number. Drop it also provided 2 numbers. Here the upstream side drop it is provided and downstream side drop it is provided. The upstream side drop it and downstream side drop it is varied from each other in case of height. So the upstream side and downstream side drop it we take separately. So first of all we discuss about the siphon duct. Number 1, length and breadth and height part. So we need to check what is the size of the siphon duct and what is the length and height. In the plan or longitudinal section we can follow the length of siphon duct, and the cross section of EF we can follow the breadth of siphon duct. So first of all we need to check what is the length of the siphon duct. So siphon duct is the length is consist from this point, right, from this point to this point. Okay, this point to this point. So we need to check this to this point length, which is 8.0 meter, which is the length of this point, this brick wall to another brick wall distance. But we need to check the cement concrete to cement concrete distance. The cement concrete offset thickness is 0.15 for both sides. So here 0.15 and here also 0.15 part here. So 0.15 plus 8.0 plus 0.15, which is equal to 8.30. The length is 8.30. Then we need to check what is the breadth of siphon duct. What is the breadth of siphon duct? We can check here, and also we can check the section EF. Okay, so here the section EF, the breadth of siphon duct is this point to this point distance, which is the adding the cement concrete to cement concrete distance, which is 2.70. The breadth is 2.70. Okay, so breadth is 2.70. What is the height of siphon duct? The height, we know the height we consider from the bottom of the foundation to the ground level, right? So here we need to check the what is the height. Here the height, it is a ground level position. So total height of the foundation is from the bottom to this part is how much? This 0.9 plus 0.3. It is equal to 1.2. This total height is 0.9 plus this cement concrete height is 0.3, which is equal to 1.2. Okay, now you need to check here in the calculation part. So here the length is provided without adding cement concrete, so the length is 8.00 and breadth is clearly indicated there, which is 2.70, and height is 1.60. We need to check, but how can we find the height? So height is 1.50. How can we check? So here the height is from the bed level position minus the ground position, which is 100.50. So 100.20, 2.10 minus 100.50. Then we can define the height of the siphon duct. So which is 102.10 minus 100.50, which is the height is 1.60. So the siphon duct quantity is number into 1 into length is 8.00, breadth is 2.70 and height is 1.60. Total quantity is 34.60, 34.56. Okay, then we going to the upstream side drop it. So here the total number of drop it is available is 2 numbers. This is one number and this is also one number. So total is 2 number of drop it available. One is upstream side and another one is the downstream side. So here this is the downstream side drop it and this is the upstream side drop it. Okay. So in case of downstream side, the bed level position is 101.90. Okay. In case of upstream side, the bed level position is 102.10. So first of all, we need to check what is the length and breadth of the drop it. Okay, so here the drop it inner size is given is 1.80 into 1.80 first upstream side and 1.80 into 1.80 for downstream side also. So in case of upstream side and in case of downstream side, the length and breadth is equal and height is varied. Okay, so first of all, we need to check what is the length of the drop it and what is the height of the drop it. Okay, so we need to check first. So here the upstream side drop it, which is one number, length is 2.25 and breadth is 2.70. Okay, so then the height is 1.60. So same, the drop it, downstream side drop it, the number is one number, the length is 2.25, breadth is 2.70 and height is 1.40. How can we define? So first we need to check for how can we define. So here the drop it length is 2.25, this is clearly indicated here, 2.25. The breadth is how can we define? The breadth is from this point to this point distance, right? The breadth is how much? 1.80 plus 0.3 plus 0.3. So it is equal to how much? The 0.3 plus 0.3 is equal to 2.40 plus offset is cement concrete is 0.15 plus 0.15. The total distance is 2.70 from this point to this point, 2.70. Okay, the breadth is 2.70. and it is equal to the for upstream side and for downstream side also. Then how can we find the height? We know for upstream side the height is the ground position is 100.50 and bed level position is 102.10, 102.10 minus 100.50, it is equal to 1.60. And for downstream side, the bed level position is 101.90 and the ground position is 100.50. So 101.90 minus 100.50, it is equal to 1.40. Okay. So here the height is for upstream side 1.60, for downstream side 1.40. The total quantity of upstream side drop weight, it is equal to 1 into 2.25 into 2.70 into 1.60, it is equal to 9.72. And for downstream side drop weight, 1 into 2.25 into 2.70 into 1.40, it is equal to 8.55. Okay. So the remaining part we discuss in next class. Today time is over. Okay.